Hi guys, good afternoon. Uh, what we're going to do now is to to uh, to solve a problem. Let's say you uh, you're loading in Baton Rouge in New Orleans and Mississippi or Louisiana, and you're going to pass through Panama. So in passing Panama, you have to arrive at Even Keel at a drop of maximum drop of 13 meters. So what will be your departure draft in Baton Rouge, Louisiana to arrive Even Keel at uh, Panama with a drop of maximum drop of 13 meters. So start guys, and so you're here at Baton Rouge. You're loading grains, and you're going to pass New Orleans and going to Panama. So so we are here at Louisiana, Mississippi. So so Baton Rouge, you're gonna pass New Orleans and going to Mexico. So I'm sorry, going to Panama. So from here, Louisiana, we're going to pass the Gulf of Mexico, then go to pass Guatemala, going to Nicaragua, Costa Rica, then you will arrive at Panama. So at Panama, you're going to pass Colon, Panama City, and this Colon, you're gonna go inside here, probably anchor here at Cristobal. From Cristobal, you're gonna pass the Panama Canal. Okay, so start guys. So what will be required rim at departure to arrive in Binkil? Meaning departure at Baton Rouge, you're loading Baton Rouge to arrive in Binkil at Panama. So you are to arrive at Panama at 13 meters, which we arrival in Ibinkil at Panama. And the distance from Baton Rouge to Cristobal, Panama is 15 1,515 miles, and the speed of 12.5 knots. The steaming time will be 5.05 days or 121.2 hours. Okay, so your fuel consumption per day is 45 metric tons, and your consumption of fresh water per day is 10 metric tons, and your production of fresh water per day is 15 metric tons. So by way of computation, so steaming time of 5.05 days, your consumption will be 45. So how much total will be your consumption in 5 days of FO consumption of 45 liters per day? So 5.05 multiplied by 45 will be 227.45 metric tons of total consumption for the whole voyage or the steam time. And for your consumption of freshwater will be 5.05 times your daily consumption of 10 tons times 5.05 will be 50.05 metric tons, your total consumption of freshwater. And your production will be, you have a production of 15 metric tons per day, freshwater production times your steaming time of 5 days, 0.05, you have a total production of 75.75 metric tons will be your freshwater production. So, year number one, your maximum arrival drop in Panama will be of Even Keel will be 13 meters, and the water density at Panama is 0.9954, which is freshwater or less than freshwater. And your displacement of 13 meters will be 76954, and LCB will be negative 6.80, which is this one. 13 meters displacement will 76952, and your LCB will be negative 6.8, which is this one. 76952 and 658. Okay, and will the consumption tank consumption will be, let's say for example, you FOT number 4 center. So take note guys that going by way of computation, uh, the question is how much will be your departure drop in Baton Rouge. What will be your departure drop in Baton Rouge if you arrive Even Keel at Panama of 13 meters with consumption of fuel oil of 227, a consumption of freshwater of 50 tons, and the production of 75 tons of freshwater. So with these figures, we have to apply this in our computation or our program. So with the consumption of 227, uh, if consumption, you have to reverse, you have to put add here. Consumption means add because you start from Panama going back to New Orleans. So instead of consumption, you have to add or plus sign. So the total consumption of fuel oil is 227. Let's say an FOT fuel tank number 4C, and the LCG is 42.95. Okay, and freshwater consumption is 50 tons. So 50 tons will be the LCG of freshwater tank starboard will be 100.99, and we have a production of 75 tons. So production means you negative. So that will be in freshwater tank port side. So your production will be negative here. So, and LCG will be the same 100.99. And this will be our displacement, total displacement or departure is 74931.8. This will be your LCG, corrected LCG, and your displace density um, at Baton Rouge is 1.00 or fresh water. So with this density, you will get a displacement of 7605.07. So displacement of 7605.7, which is this one, 76 7605.1, that will be equivalent to the drop of 12.977. So this is, which is this one. And your LCG at loading berth will be 6.85. That will be this one. 6 point, excuse me, LCG is 6.85, which is this one. And your LCB at isostatic, LCB of this one will be 8.13. 8.13. This one LCB of the drop of 12.977. That will be your LCB. And your MTC will be 976951. Will be MTC. This one 976.951 of 12.9977. That will be 769.1 of this drop. And your LCF will be 0.103. LCF will be 0.0103. 0.10103 of 12.977. So that is your LCF, and your trimming arm will be H27. So that will be your LCG minus LCB will be your trimming arm minus 28. 27 minus 28 will be 0.013. What will be trimming arm, and trimming moment will be 0.13 times your displacement, which is this one. So you will get a displacement of 978.0. And required trim, you will have the trim, departure trim at your lanes will be 10 centimeters or 0.10 meters, and your forward drop will be 12.927, and your updraft will be 13.27. Your main will be 12.977, which is this one. So that's it, guys. So you have here a formula or the solution on the left side, and the answers will be on the right side. So meaning to say, you depart in New Orleans with a forward drop of 12.927, and your drop off will be 13.027. We have a trim of 10 centimeters or 0.10 meters to departure in New Orleans, and your arrival drop in Panama will be 13 meters, even keel. So it's reversed. So you start from the Panama going down going up to your departure draft in New Orleans. So this is the formula on how to get the draft or departure draft in New Orleans if you are to arrive Even Keel at Panama. So that's it, guys. I hope just you can uh, cope up with this explanation and with this procedure. So you just review this video and you will get the right answer until you get the departure draft at New Orleans, or I mean Baton Rouge. This is Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you will uh, get it. Just review this video and you will get the explanations and that this is the right procedure on how to get the draft, departure draft at Baton Rouge to arrive Even Keel at 13 meters at Panama. So this one procedures that uh, I have and hope you understand and like this. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you.